Hey my loves, welcome to another tutorial. Please, if you are seeing my video for the first time, I'm a fashion tutor. Do well to go through the videos on my channel. Do well to like, comment, share, give me a follow or subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified for more interesting videos. For today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to cut a wrap top. So for the length, I'm making use of 20 inches. I'm marking exactly 20 inches. So you can mark exactly 20 inches on your pattern paper. Then when transferring on your fabric, you add your allowance for turning over if you're making use of lining or for folding. But if your pattern paper is big enough, please add your allowance. Then you transfer to your fabric and cut immediately. So this part, I'm marking 7 inches. I'm marking 7 inches. This is the allowance for our wrap. So I'm marking 7 inches. From the point where I marked the 7 inches, that is where I will start taking my body measurement. So for the shoulder, I went in by 8.5. It's meant to be 16, which is 8, but I added half inch for sewing allowance. Then I came down by 9 inches for the armhole. Then there I came down by 1 for my shoulder slope. A correct shoulder slope helps your clothes sit properly on the shoulder without shifting or pulling. Of course, you know the human shoulder is not straight. So this is me. I'm trying to mark the exact 8.5 inches before I get my exact armhole. The front armhole usually goes in more than the back. This is usually called the armhole curve. Coming in more at the front than the back is to accommodate the bust and make the neckline and the armhole sit flat and comfortable and prevent it from gapping. So I came out by 1 inch, then I connected it with my ruler. So while cutting, this is where I will cut from. But it doesn't stop there. I'm still going to make some necessary adjustments before attaching my sleeve to know if I'm going to remove some inches or not. Now I'm marking all the body measurements, the bust and the waist, and I only added 1 each sewing allowance, 1 inch at the bust, 1 inch at the waist. Please, when cutting a wrap top, if your bust measurement is 10, which is 40, please make it 42 or more so your bust don't have to be exposed, except you are making use of a stretchy fabric. But if it's Ankara, please don't use your exact measurement for the bust. You can use your exact measurement for the waist, except you want your bust to be exposed, then it's fine. Now, this part you see me marking is where the side dart will sit, side dart for the bust. Though it's optional if your fabric is stretchy, but because I'm making use of Ankara, I want it to have a side dart to make the bust area more comfortable. So I went in by 3 inches for the neck width, and I'm going to extend the line downwards for our wrap. So please just watch. So we are done. The next thing is to start cutting out all the areas you've marked out. So please just watch carefully. Please, after cutting, don't be in a rush to separate them. Make sure you notch this part. It will help you not to get confused on how to place it while sewing. So please, if you are confused on how to place your wrap rope, please let me know under the comment section. I'll probably do a video on that. So when you are done, don't forget your side dart. Make sure to add your bust dart at the side. It will help your bust to relax. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. See you in my next video.